Hello, dear students. Welcome to science class. Today, I want to discuss first lesson from sixth class. Okay, that is our food. Our food. Sixth class. Okay, all living things need food for their survival. Without food, any organisms cannot live. So, all the organisms need food. Okay, we are eating different kinds of food, varieties of food, different varieties of food. All the people are not eating same kind of food. Okay, food gives us energy for growth, development. Okay, for this purpose we are eating food. Without food, organisms cannot live. Okay, there is no food means organisms will die. So let us discuss finding variety in our food. Finding variety in our food. Finding variety in our food. Okay, if you ask your friends, okay, what are you, for example, what did you eat yesterday? Otherwise, what did you eat in lunch? Like ask means your friend may telling like dal curry, rice, sambar, okay, chutney, like that to one person telling. And another person telling, okay, yes, curd rice, okay, next pulihara, and another person may be telling biryani, okay, next and brinjal curry, okay, like that. Different people are telling different food items names. All the students are in a classroom. All the students are not eating same kind of food at a time. Okay, different kinds of the foods are generally we are eating. Okay, let us. You can practice at home. Okay, like that. Like that we can finding the varieties in our food. For example, here let us see to understand Dinesh. Okay, Dinesh ate in his lunch rice, dal curry, okay, next curd rice, curd, okay, etc, etc. And another person, another student, okay, Nagu, okay, he ate in his lunch rice, okay, next brinjal curry, curd, okay, etc. Okay, another person if you ask means Pranav, okay, he may tell yes, rice, okay, next chicken curry, curd, etc. Okay, like this if you ask means your friends telling like this manner. Okay, in this we can understand, okay, all numbers are not ate same kinds of food at a time. Okay, some of the food materials are repeated, rice, okay, curd, some are repeated, some of the food items are different. Okay, like that we can see varieties in our food. We can see whatever we eat in our food contains the food components. In our food contains the food components. Okay, in our food contains food components are the food components. Food components. There are 5 food components are there, including water and fiber 7. Okay, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and fibers, water. Whatever we eat, our food, okay, they must contain this food components, because these food components are required to our body, yes, for to carry out various functions. Okay, like this we can understand. Next, ingredients of our food. Ingredients of our food. Ingredient means what? Okay, materials, food materials. The materials which required for the preparation of food is called ingredients. For example, for the preparation of the rice, what are the material required? Water and rice. Water and rice. Okay, for the preparation of, okay, like that discuss. First of all, definition remember. Ingredients means materials which required for preparation of food is called ingredients. Okay, let us discuss some of the ingredients and food items and their ingredients. For example, payasam. Payasam is the one of the food. Okay, for the preparation of payasam, one milk it's not enough. Some more materials is required. Those materials all are called ingredients. Okay, for example, see payasam. Okay, what are the materials required? Milk, okay, rice, okay, sugar, okay, next dry fruits, okay, dry fruits, okay, next elachi, yes, etc. These are the ingredients required for the preparation of payasam. Milk, rice, sugar, dry fruits and elachi are the required for the preparation of payasam. Okay, for example, chicken curry. For the preparation of chicken curry, what are the required? Chicken, yes, next red chili powder, next green chilies, salt, next yes, salt, onions, oil, etc. These are the required for the preparation of chicken curry. Next, pallikaram. What are the materials required for the preparation of pallikaram? Means yes, groundnuts, red chili powder, okay, oil, okay, turmeric, small quantity of turmeric. These are the materials for the preparation of the pallikaram. Okay, like that we can understand what are the, in every our food items, for the preparation of every food items we required some materials. Those materials are called as the ingredients. Okay, like this you also ask your mother, okay, you ask one of the food materials name and what are the materials are used for the preparation of that food also ask. Okay, like this we can know the ingredients. Okay, next. Okay, ingredients. Who gives us? Okay, we are getting these ingredients from ingredients. We are getting from plants or animals or others. Plants or animals or others. Okay, for example, as oil is the one of the ingredients we are getting from plants means right P, plants. Okay, what is the which plant gives the oil means okay, groundnut plant. Groundnut plant. Okay, next cotton plant, sunflower plant, like we can give example. Okay, next chicken we are getting from animals. Okay, we can give example hen. Okay, next salt. Okay, salt also one of the ingredient. From where does it is getting means okay, it is not getting from either it is plants nor animals. Okay, we are getting from others, that is sea water. Okay, we are getting from sea water. Others here write O. Okay, sea water. Sea water. Okay, like this we can write next sugar. We are getting from yes, sugar from plants. Plant name sugarcane plant. Sugarcane plants. We are getting from sugarcane plants. Like this ingredients we are getting from plants or animals or others. Okay, like this we can mention here. Okay, next. Eat me or eat me not. Okay, from which part? From the plant, which part we are used as our food materials? For example, fenugreek. Fenugreek. Fenugreek means menthulu. Menthulu. From which part we are using as our food means leaves and seeds. And mustard plant. Which part we are using as our food material means seeds. Okay, next sugarcane. Sugarcane, which part we are used as our food means stem. Okay, next onion. Which part we are using as our food materials means stem. Okay, next carrot. Which part we are using as our food material means root. Okay, cabbage. Which part we are used as our food means okay, green fruit, that is from leaf, green fruit. Green fruit. Okay, asafoetida. Asafoetida means ingua. Which part we are used our food materials means okay, extracted from the plants. Ingua is extracted from plant. Okay, like this If you observe means like this, some of the plants names, which part we are using, for example, rice, we are paddy plant, which part we are using our food materials means, okay, seeds, okay, next, sunflower, which part we are using as our food materials means, seeds, okay, like this, so many examples we can say. For example, coriander, which part we are using our food materials means the whole plant. Amaranth, which part we are using our food materials means the whole plant. Mango, which part is used as our food materials means fruit. Okay, like this we can say, and that means we are getting food materials only from some of the parts of the plants, some of the parts of our plants. Okay, next, condiments. Condiments. Condiments means fragrance materials or sugandha dravyalu. Condiments means fragrant materials or sugandha dravyalu. Some of the materials like lavang, dalchini, ilachi, biryani leaf, pepper, etc. These are the called as condiments. Lavang, dalchini, ilachi, biryani leaf, pepper, etc. These are all called condiments. They are required small quantity. Okay, why we are using these condiments and to make our food delicious, tasty and giving a good fragrance, we are using these condiments. Okay, next, dry fruits. Dry fruits are the kismis, next, almond, cashew nuts. Cashew nuts are the dry fruits. Okay, these condiments and dry fruits are okay. They are available in less quantity only, so they are very valuable. These are very expensive. Okay, their cost is more. They are very expensive. Okay, they are these condiments are they are growing in particular region only. They are not growing in all places on the earth. Only they are growing in a particular region only. So that's why they are very precious, valuable, very expensive. Okay, like this also you should remember. Next, how to develop food habits. People, how to develop food habits. How to develop food habits. How to develop food habits. Okay, people are developing food habits according to geographical and climatical changes. Next, and culture and availability of their food. Okay, people are develop the food habits, especially geographical and climatical conditions. Next, availability of the foods. Next, and also their culture. Based on this, okay, people develop the food habits. Okay, in our South India, all the peoples are eating rice. In North India, okay, they are growing wheat and bajra, maize. So that's why in North Indians, especially in Rajasthan, okay, they are growing okay, maize, bajra, wheat. So people are eating roti. Their food habit is eating roti. Okay, in Andhra we are eating okay, rice. Okay, and rice food items we are eating. So this is only because yes, geographical and climatical conditions, culture and availability of the food. Based on these, persons develop the food habits. Okay, different methods of preparing food. Different methods of preparing food. Different methods of preparing food. Okay, so many methods are there. Okay, in TV programs also they are showing different methods of preparing food materials. So many methods are there. Okay, some of the methods let us discuss. Okay, method of preparing food. Method of preparing food items. Okay, first one is the boiling. Okay, by the boiling we are preparing food items like egg, potatoes and rice also. Rice. Okay, these are we are preparing by boiling. Next, steaming. By the steaming we are preparing idlis, kudums, etc. It is said. Next, fermentation. By the fermentation we are preparing a curd. Okay, duff of idli. Next, dosa. Duff of the idli and dosa also prepared only for the fermentation process. Next, okay. Next, roasting. Chicken, we are following the roasting process. Next, deep frying. Okay, fish. Deep frying fish. Next, shallow frying. Yes, eggs, chicken. Yes. Next, chopping and mixing. Chopping and mixing. Okay. Salads and desserts. Next, cutting and mixing. Okay, masala mixture. Okay, like this. These are different methods of preparing food. Okay. Next one is the tasty food. Next one is the tasty food. Okay. Tasty of food is depending on the the method of the preparation of food and ingredients and culture. Okay, method of preparing food, next ingredients and culture. Based on this, okay, our taste is depends. Okay, next, I will tell one of the preparation of curry, tomato curry. For this curry, I will explain you. Okay, tomato curry, preparation of tomato curry. Required materials are the tomatoes, onions, chilies, next jeera, salt, turmeric. Okay, next salt. Okay, these are the required materials. So, first of all, for the preparation of these food items, okay, first of all, take a vessel or pan, keep it on the stove. Next, vegetables all should clean with water. Next, and chop them into pieces. Okay, now take a pan on the stove. Next, pour 3 spoons of oil. Okay, make it hot. Okay, after become it hot, add the Bengal black grams. Next, jeera. Okay, mustards. Okay, after half minutes, 10 seconds after, add some of the green chilies and red chilies. Okay, and then after it becomes hot, add the onions and potatoes, and finally add the salt and cover with the lid and leave it for 2 minutes. Okay, our tomato curry is ready. Okay, like this we can prepare. Okay, I know it. Okay, next preservation. Next, preservation. Preservation. Okay, what is meant by preservation? Storing of food. Preservation means storing of food for future use. Storing of food for future use is called preservation. Why we have to preserve the food? Okay, we have preserve the food for a future use. For example, farmers cultivating crops. Okay, we are not using 1 or 2 days. We have to use them throughout the year. So we have to preserve them in a proper way. Okay, like that. Okay, give some of the preservatives and examples. Some of the preservatives are the preservative example. Some of the preservatives are the adding salt, turmeric, oil, chili powder, red chili powder. Okay, by using this we are preserving the food materials. Pickles. Okay, adding salt, we are preserving the lemon. Okay, lemon and mango. Next, drying. By drying, we are preserving the fish. We are drying the fish. Next, mango. Okay, next, sugar syrup. Okay, fruits, jam. Fruits and jams are preserved by using with the sugar syrup. Okay, like this, these are some of the preservatives. Okay, by this we can preserve some of the food materials for future use. Okay, next and the last topic is vegetable carving. Vegetable carving. Vegetable carving. Preparing food by using fruits and vegetables is an art. Some of the peoples are making designs and decorations on the fruits and vegetables are called vegetable carving. Making designs and decorations on the fruits and vegetables is called vegetable carving. Okay, some of the children they are not showing interest food materials. At the time, by using vegetable carving means they are showing interest because different decorations, designs, okay, like bird or animals, like designs. Some designs are made on the fruits and vegetables. They are showing interest. Even elders also, okay, they are showing interest to eat vegetable carving. Okay, that like we can okay fulfill our food materials. Yes. Okay. This first lesson completed. Okay, we'll meet. Okay, next period. Thank you.